We are in the midst of a global health crisis. It's not a new virus or a mysterious disease, it's obesity. The numbers are staggering, and the consequences are deadly. Being overweight or obese doesn't just affect how our clothes fit, it impacts our entire body, increasing the risk of a myriad of health problems. From heart disease to diabetes, the extra pounds take a toll on our organs, our minds, and our overall well-being. This isn't about fitting into a smaller size, it's about living a longer, healthier life. It's about having the energy to play with your kids, enjoy a hike with friends, or simply wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. The good news is that even small changes can make a big difference. This isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it needs to thrive. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, hearty whole grains packed with fiber, and lean proteins that fuel your muscles. It's about finding joy in movement, whether it's dancing in your living room, taking a brisk walk in the park, or trying a new fitness class. Every step you take, every healthy choice you make, is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Your heart is an incredible organ, working tirelessly to pump blood throughout your body. But when you're overweight, your heart faces an uphill battle. The extra weight means your heart has to work harder to circulate blood, putting a strain on this vital organ. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to push a shopping cart uphill. Now, imagine that cart is loaded with extra weight. It takes more effort, more energy, and puts more stress on you. The same goes for your heart when you're carrying excess pounds. This extra strain can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms, but it silently damages your arteries, making them more likely to harden and narrow. This increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. It's crucial to remember that heart disease is preventable. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in lowering your risk. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can help your heart stay strong and healthy for years to come. We often associate obesity with heart problems, but did you know it also takes a toll on your lungs? The extra weight around your chest and abdomen can restrict your lungs' ability to expand fully, making it harder to breathe. This can lead to shortness of breath, even with minimal exertion. Imagine feeling out of breath after climbing a flight of stairs or walking a short distance. Obesity is also linked to an increased risk of sleep apnea, a serious sleep disorder that causes your breathing to repeatedly stop and start throughout the night. This disrupts your sleep, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish during the day. Furthermore, people who are overweight or obese are more susceptible to respiratory infections like pneumonia and bronchitis. Their weakened immune systems may not fight off these infections as effectively, leading to more severe symptoms and longer recovery times. Section 4. A heavy burden. Your liver, your life. Your liver is your body's detox center, filtering toxins from your blood and playing a vital role in digestion. However, when you're overweight, your liver can become overloaded with fat, leading to a condition called fatty liver disease. Over time, this can cause inflammation and damage to your liver, impairing its ability to function properly. The scary part is that fatty liver disease often has no symptoms in its early stages. You may not even realize your liver is in distress until the damage is more advanced. It's crucial to understand that fatty liver disease is largely preventable. By maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and limiting alcohol consumption, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing this serious condition.